Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your ChatGPT app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down, you click here on your name down here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on color session here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on dark here. So then you click here on OK. Then automatically here it's going to change with you to dark mode like you see on your ChatGPT app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.